I love this game. Took me from rags to riches. Let's go! Chill, 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 chill. When I was a kid, I used to go to the park and watch the ballers play, wishing that would be me one day. I was intrigued by their love of the game. They weren't getting paid, but they loved to hear them scream their name. They were determined, motivated, focused to win. And after they played all day, they would play again. They worked hard and would hardly rest. They knew the formula for success, and a kid like me was so impressed. And from then on, I knew what I wanted to do with my life. I was hungry for the game, so I fed my appetite. Day in and day out, I practiced and got my game polished, so I could get the scholarship to college and make MVP, and have all the scouts come see me with the rest of the world on national TV. This is my chance, I gotta give it all I got. Never 1 second on the clock, I hit the winning shot. From the bottom to the top, I can't be stopped. I give it all I got, now I'm worth a whole lot. I live for the pressure, I work for the fame, and put it all on the line. Each and every game, from the bottom to the top, I can't be stopped. I give it all I got, now I'm worth a whole lot. I live for the pressure, I work for the fame, and put it all on the line. Each and every game. Yeah, I made it. No more hand-me-down clothes. No more socks with holes that expose my toes. No. Matter of fact, you could go and quit your job now, Mom, we paid. I'm gonna buy you with a magic. I know you're proud of me, Mama. Your son is a star, and I owe it all to you. You sacrificed a lot. Now I'm on pace to get that #1 spot. And I haven't forgot to give back to my community. Extend myself, give someone else an opportunity. As if I can help, I help you. Cause I know life at the bottom ain't nothing nice, let me tell you. I'm a role model that rolls with, and every time I get it, it's like I hit the. But I'm still down to earth, you know how I do. And that's the bottom line, see, from the bottom to the top, I can't be stopped. I give it all I got, now I'm worth a whole lot. I live for the pressure, I work for the fame, and put it all on the line. Each and every game, from the bottom to the top, I can't be stopped. I give it all I got, now I'm worth a whole lot. I live for the pressure, I work for the fame, and put it all on the line. Each and every game. Yeah, NBA ballers, Phenom, exclusive. Sound scan on the track. CIU, the dean of the industry. Chill, chill.
Now basketball is my favorite sport. I like the way they dribble up and down the court. I keep it so fresh on the microphone. I like no interruption when the game is on. I like slam dunk to take me to the hoop. My favorite play is the alley-oop. I like the pick and roll. I like the give and go. And it's basketball. Bow wow, let's go.
All around the world.
Oh, geez. Oh. Beautiful dunk.
I got the rock in my hands, ain't no telling what I'm gonna do with it. When I got possession, I'ma act a fool with it. I might cross you up and fake one way, turn around and hit you with the MJ fadeaway. I'm throwing down passes like J Kidd, taking cats to the rack and I'm dunking on them like C-Mac. When I'm in the plane, I play with that Lonzo style. I'm like Darius, cause I can
Don't too many players get offers like me. Back and forth are likely. Shake the checks off your Nikes. They almost had me in a suit at the draft, cause it looked like a free throw when I be shooting from half. The first step like Iverson, blow past you. Usually nothing but net, but I could go blast too. When I'm in the paint, the defense so shook, they don't know if I'ma put up a slow hook or dish off for no look. See, my game consists of a whole lot of moves you would think I learned from the Harlem Globetrotters. JD gon' lead us to a ring. Fab and Bow Wow's the only players that make cheerleaders wanna sing. Yeah, put it up, put it up, put it up, put it up now. Put it up, put it up, put it up now. Put it up, put it up, put it up now.
Tell me, were you in the joint the night MJ scored 63 points when the Lakers won titles back to back? Didn't give nobody no kind of slack. When Vince Carter came, stuck his arm in the rim, everybody went crazy in the whole damn gym. Dikembe Mutombo standing tall, playing D with desire. It's basketball. Sing. All around the world. Put it up, put it up, put it up now.
that's so nice. We gotta play that.
Break it down, Cap.
Now let me show you what's going on right
right.
here, man. See, that's not a finger roll. That's what you call it. Finger roll.
Finger roll.
You gotta sing it like
Yeah.
that, man. My daddy told me that before he left the family.
Put it on now.
And the reason why they won,
Why is
ladies
that?
and gentlemen, because they had more points.
More points. That's the side I take.